Pikin read there. He tell us, say, I want to go ask. I want to go ask. I want to go ask. Let the person not be talk, say, you dey fear. So now they can't know, say, we never do them, but we know they do this Pikin bad. So later, they can't enter our case, bro Austin. They enter our case, they go investigate me, investigate my husband, investigate everybody. Underground, now they tell you so. Now later, they can't confess, give me, now my evil and my lawyer, we will go court for Brescia. We go court, if you know where Brescia Minerore court day, now Brescia is day for children, we can't go there. They say they carry us go court. They give, they say my Pikin, I carry us go court. But they don't bring my Pikin out. Now the lawyer where they give my Pikin, I stand for us, stand. Now it's okay. All I say my Pikin, so, now I never hear for a month. I go tell you the truth. They say, they do. Do you know what they tell us? After we go court, come back. The whole community where they carry my Pikin go. My Pikin no let them rest. 15 years daughter. They say, I'm going home. I am going home, I am going home. I made a mistake because they confess, I lie, She can't they confess. They don't see leave this Pikin, they tell you, they don't see leave there because money, I say work don't come for there because they are taking a lot of cash. You understand? So they go call us, they go give us phone, make we bet our Pikin, our daughter, you know, agree eat, she no agree sleep, she dey cry every day. Now I say, what's on I can do? And I go leave her and I go leave and I go put her for there. They say no until the court go give paper. Now it's okay, no problem. Now I can't go take lawyer. I shall go take lawyer. I can't pay 2,000. So the lawyer can't fight the case for us. Do you know what he said for us, Epa? What he said was one. My husband is working. Me I'm working. We get our own ass. We never get bad results. To God who made me. You know what they tell us? The community will carry where they carry my daughter go. They say since where they bring black Pikin there, that now will be the first person where get 5 children for Europe. All the children the day activities after they close for school. Now so the woman open my tell us. To God who made me. He said would they try. Later they come pass paper say 3 months time they go leave my Pikin. The woman also see come meet or come tell us say me and my husband we get all year for head. Say maximum na 1 year. Now the Pikin go stay with them before they go say, they go they think they go take leave the children. And they tell you what they tell us so. Even the social assistant will carry us go there. The woman can't they run for me. She know they want see me again. She they run for me. They can't they shame for me. Because they go dig my ground, they never say any bad thing, they do everything. The Pikin one they plan. And inside there, they say if they win, they go take the rest so. You see, they go take the rest for. So they no come win. They surprise a mother of 5. Go take lawyer, private lawyer. Not only private lawyer. Lawyer where they fight for children. I see pay the money. They open my down. I say when the paper come and see my Pikin will come back for us. I say the community no know. The social assistant no know. Now me go even call them. Now me call them, tell them.
Maybe the fish say, Sister Faith time don't they carry belly. Sister Faith, thank you for your advice. Time don't they go small. You do well. Thank you. Who is the next person, please? What the host do now? Host. Host do it. Thank you, Jesus. Jesus. These people. Stability say you want to go rest just now. Why you not go rest? Professional commenters. Anyway, it hurt me. At the end of everything, I not see somebody from Switzerland. Where there's Switzerland. Nobody there's Switzerland for this our platform. So nobody does Switzerland for this platform. Nobody does Switzerland. I say they close to Italy now. They close to Italy. You got to corner us now. Don't forget. Let's hear it on the 30. We're talking negative thing. He said, who Switzerland help? So the thing, may I go looking for crying. Don't mad these people. They all come because they like comment, all the questions they laugh. I said I will laugh together.
If I could have you know, me, I fell laugh first. The way we pass to shop our money for this Europe, they're not gonna make heaven. My city, my pastor don't shop my 50 euro because of the fake picture. Why is Steve giving me up? This just they don't collect my pastor wife now. They don't collect the 3 children. She don't let her cry come out. They will collect your 3 children because why? The fake picture, the same member can carry church money give you. Why is why no more €2 for offering? No. Pastor wife is passing.
They're not take my children on an idea I give.
Madam, I not to you. Now my sister they talk. Madam, I not to that bed. I not to you. They talk about my pastor wife in my city. You understand? Okay. They don't collect the 3 children. €2. They say they pay €2 for offering. Now my pastor wife they collect the 3 children. My pastor wife is running.
Understand? What do you want to call? What do you want to call?
He just carry pastor wife in man on this. The city my pastor wife. Last Sunday we go church. As me la la platform of my na bumble. Me e babutia just come. We say we need to not be every day now we tell the listen to sad news. We need to the mommy Dudu, I know go make heaven Jesus. Every day by day, my way I done me carry at least that be gear. And last week when the pastor wife me just church. Last 3 weeks, he get church. I go church last 3 weeks. So pastor say no more €2 offering. Only €5 where I still get for life. He can say €5. Now we pay. Now we got a year for grant. I say pastor where they don't collect the 3 children. Now they fire no me. No me agree come out now. Pastor don't go tribunal lara. I don't sue pastor go court now. They don't now. They don't.
Wala de o.
No member agree come out and more don't no pastor need to pay as strength for church 550. No member agree go.
Sweet banana, come and carry your sister. Sweet banana.
No, pastor now. If they call us, all of us off because we don't want me to carry our children. Because me, me, I like.
Austin, now God called the pastor, I've been a pastor call himself.
Now pastor call himself, this one our own with our city. Now he just call himself.
So you have been defrauded, my sister.
No, I don't fraud. Now he fraud himself. Now he fraud himself.
Well, I don't set.
Our pastor
one bid as well.
Our pastor get 4 flats. Me will be member, I not get 1 room for Nigeria.